The blinking blue light on a Spectrum router typically indicates that the device is booting up to establish a stable internet connection. This is a normal process, and the blue light is programmed to appear whenever the router is starting up. However, if the blinking persists, it usually signifies that the router has failed to establish a reliable connection. To resolve this issue, it's essential to check the cables for proper connection, ensuring the coaxial cable is securely tightened and not damaged at either end, with intact and straight contact pins. Another solution is to restart the network by power cycling the modem and router, which involves disconnecting both devices from the power supply, waiting for 2 minutes, and then reconnecting them, making sure the modem is connected and booted before proceeding to the router. If neither of these solutions works, it's a good idea to check for any outages in the area, as this could be the underlying cause of the problem.